The priority of the PITAN Zamboanga del Norte Dipolog is to induce change already, to save the people from all of these abuses and anomalies that continues to be used by those so-called in the administration, like the family, the Chinese family.
Zanorte News Flash Digital Media.
That's a big problem I heard, and I cannot imagine it happened for the Polo, who have a lot of business and supposedly outside of the national contribution to its budget, they should have big local contribution in terms of taxes. But the answer to that, solve that, because the problem is only one word: greed, greedy. All we have to do is correct the attitude of everybody to stop being greedy and allow now accounting to look at all of this and not allow overuse of city funds so that the health of the city funds will be restored and that will be converted into more viable and more productive endeavors. Like now, we are now held back. When will you pay that? That's too much. It will take us 1 year to 2 years. What will happen to us if we get elected? Nene, we have to spend the next 2 years trying to solve that. Because wala siya magamit para sa infrastructure, para sa mga one. But anyway, through ingenuity and connection sa Manila, we can get other funds. The city funds, 2 years yan, di magamit yan. Because that will be used to pay. Tingnan mong probinsya. We wanted some money to pay the bank accounts of Bertoy. Wala nila aprubahe. Thereby depriving the governor to at least help solve the problem created by Bertoy. So the same group that created it, because they're the one that gave out and the one that disapproved the budget and the loan that was approved by the Land Bank, until now, cannot help restore the health of the finance of the province. That is exactly what will happen to the city. We have a lot of connection. Bank, look at that. With this kind of program, any bank will lend us money because mukhang sure ang progress. Everybody can pay us back. Plus the fact that guaranteed ang payment nila because of the ERA system. The ERA system, so much for one. And the PITAN, Dipolo enjoys a big ERA. So half of that can be utilized to pay back accounts that we will incur. The other half to maintain the government. So daghan ito mahimo, daghan ta kapital. Pero karon, the next 2 years, ato sang use ng 50% para pagbayad niya ng deficit. Aron mo balik ta sa red level. So, to me, that's an easy problem. I don't even have to devote time. I don't even have to include that in our program. It will be handled by our treasurer, our accounting people, our finance department. Because it's a matter of using judiciously the available funds of the city, especially the ERA that is because we'll devote our time to development. That will be left to the professionals. That's a numbers game. So the expert of numbers will take care of that. Thank you.
Sir, ang kini mga negosyante sa depot, na yung mga report or mga nigawas ng mga istorya nga daghang negosyo ang mga puy dito, pero wala kabayan og sakto nga buwis. So if in case nga kumukuan ba si Governor nila may mong mayor sa Dipolo, kumukuan ba siya, the next one is ikaw na butang ka sa listahan nga nagbayad ka og dako nga buwis pod sa BIR, pero sila dahil sa negosyo wala na kita na sila gibayad ko sa dato.
Ang ako ang ibayad personal tax lang. O labot pa ako ang kumpanya. Ako personal lang. It's bigger than what they all combined paid. Mo na isa tido na mo. Dili kini bigatibo, but responsibility ka na sa mo to take over sa city nga pangitaon ka ng due them na kung kulang yun sila, pabayron sila. In due time, it is a day of reckoning. Mo nang hadlok po sila mawala sa poder kay ilang itapinaan ka na. Now, in our case, I promise you on the air and through media, there will be a day of reckoning kanang ilang pagkawat sa gobyerno nga dili pagbayad sa mga city nga dako kayo lang income mo nang dagang kayong kwarta nga ilang iwaldas during election. They have to answer that. They have to pay that anyway someday. You will see to it. na pagkabayaran nila ka ng mga biyahe. Ako, really, my personal income tax is bigger than the income tax of all the OIS business combined. Kaya kitapin nila. So, tanaw na muna kung saan sa mga ba. But that's not part of our program. That's only part of the, again, looking into their greed.
The day of reckoning, sir, do we mean heads will roll?
What?
Heads will roll if we take over the...
I hope the rolling of the head will be done by our people on Monday.
Okay.
I'm hoping they will spare us because we take over with no heads that are greedy anymore.
Wa na to ma-address ang ato ang rampant ang druga sa Dipolog sir. Namo tay mga programa nga ato yung kontrol ang atong druga din sa Dipolog sa
Well, definitely we have to address that. That's one of the things that they introduce again, this foreign banyaga, mga pamilyang insik. Karang droga, they made a lot of money. That's why the killing happened because they used their own bodyguards before. Naghihimo ng pulis, i-protect ang ilang drug business. Sa dihang nabuking na, kaya doon ay kernel din ipatay nga distributor na booking na. Ipamatay nila ang mga witness. Kini mga tao, mga pulis nga ilang gigamit sa pag-distribute sa droga. Mao ka na na-imbestigar sa Congress. Ilang ipapatay tanan. Now, katong uban nga hibalo sila sunod kay sila may gabantay. So natural, pahilumon sila. Tago na sila ato sa bullet. Nagpatabang. Gikuha sila, tulong kabok. Ito sa under protection law. Because natagad sila nga ang sindikato, nga napakarumboy ang head sa sindikato, napas si Polo. Pangitawag sila. Arong pahilumon yun sila. Muna style man nila. Now, those are the things that the people have to consider. There is no thinking anymore. There's no choice. The choice is eliminate and clean this, sweep these people out of the Polog, if possible, out of the province. They are the one that introduce all of these anomalies, including drugs. Because so na ito, inlo daw sa asawa niya nga, ikan sa Bicol, involved sa gambling, illegal gambling, and drugs distribution. So those are the things we know, and we'll investigate that. And surely we will eliminate that. But let's leave that to PDEA. And one of the system is, once suspected, everybody has to undergo a drug test. Everybody employed in the city, kaya doon naman protected man na sila by their, if they are regular employees, they can remain provided they are clean and clear of a drug by going through a drug test. Walay empleyado mas fair, including the mayor, down to all the officials will have to go through a drug test. Probably I'll have to ask the media to also go through a drug test. But not voluntary, hindi mandatory. But those that will volunteer, prila, wala na drug. Pero those that will not volunteer, may drug yan, basta walang test.
Sir, let me go back to what you said a while ago. Gikapoy na ka, sir. So, would that mean this would be the last time na you are going to fight against them?
Good
the
question.
family would be the...
Good question. I'm not getting any younger. You could see. And I've been fighting them since. And it's because I blame the people if there is no change, not them. If the people will still continue to receive them and re-elect them, it's up to you. I leave you to Juan to defend yourself. I am doing this not because to get power and money. I have money and I have power already. I don't need anything anymore. I'm here sacrificing, not enjoying my success. I have too much. God gave me too much success after I was in prison. I have a big project in Taguluan, and I should concentrate there. But I'm not, because the priority of the Pitan, Zamboanga del Norte, Dipolog, is to induce change already, to save the people from all of these abuses and anomalies that continues to be used by those so-called in the administration, like the Chinese family. That's a number one issue. Being a Chinese should be out. They should no business being wondering, having to be called Nanay Tatay Berto, Nanay Evelyn. Pag yung kang Nanay Berto o Tatay Berto, tanawon ka, di makapikot. Anak ka sa gawas. Ikaw, anak ka sa gawas, sino ka pigot? So, sigurado ko nga, they have no choice. The people have spoken. That means they have not appreciated what I've talked to them like this now. And you media will try to open it up. Because if the people still cannot understand because of money, then I'm out. I don't like that game of money. I'll go to the casino and play the game of money. Thank you.
So, no more question na?
In connection na lang to, sir. Ingon man ka na may istorya ka itong mga niagit na yun. Nga imong put doon ang imong property. So, pay, oy, nga mawala din sila sa posisyon.
Doon na mahurot daw. Oo nga. I'm stopping that day nga mahurot. So I have to stop because hindi pa dayon ko mahurot yun din.
Thank you.
Zanorte News Flash! Digital Media.